Hi, this is an introduction to the multiplication event. I'm going to explain the 3 games that you'll play in small groups, as well as the 1 game that you will play in a large group. When you rotate through the 3 small group games, one of the games is called Flip Up. For that game, it's very simple. In your small group, one person will be in charge of flipping up a multiplication flashcard. The other kids who are looking at the card will try to guess the answer, or hopefully know the answer, not guess, the answer correctly. And when the person who says that answer correctly gets it right, they will get to keep that card in their little pile in front of them. So say Joe gets 7 times 3 correct as 21. I say, okay, Joe, here's your card, and he puts it in his pile. And then I hold up another card. So that will continue until the whole pile of cards is gone, and then you can switch and have someone else be the flipper until you have to rotate to a new group. Another of the games in a small group is War. It's kind of like War that you play with regular playing cards, but it's a little bit different for multiplication War. So you're going to have 2 stacks of cards from the same deck. You will have removed all of the face cards, so there should only be numbers 1 through 10, and the aces are 1s. And you're going to have them in your 2 stacks on the table. There'll be one team over here and another team over here. One person from each team will flip a card at the same time. Whoever gets the answer correct with those 2 numbers, so 7 times 4 in this example, when they say 28, that team, whoever that person was from, gets to keep that stack. So whichever team has a larger stack of cards at the end of the round wins. The last game in the small group rotation is called Dice Multiply. For this game, your small group, will have a pair of dice. One person will roll the dice, and you can take turns rolling. And after rolling the dice, you'll look at the 2 numbers that are on top. So in this case, it is a 6 and a 2. Whoever says the answer to 6 times 2 first correctly, which would be 12, gets to mark on a simple score sheet a tally mark. So since I'm M for Maureen, I do a tally mark. And then we keep playing and adding tally marks for whoever gets it correct first. The last game that you'll play with the whole class is called Team Tag. For this game, the class will be divided into 2 groups. Each group will line up about 10 feet away from a desk or table in the front of the room. On that table will be a stack of cards for each team. So, on my team, when they say go, whoever the teacher says go or blows a whistle, I'll run up, pick up the top card for my team, and if I get it correct, 2 times 4, if I say 8, I get to put it back down and run back, and someone else from my team will run up. If I get it incorrect, if I said 2 times 4 is 6. Oh, I had a little glitch there. If I said 2 times 4 is 6, and one of the teachers who was monitoring said it was incorrect, I'd have to put it down at the bottom of the pile and keep going till I got one correct. So when I got 2 times 6 and said, oh, it's 12, I now have it correct. I put it down and run to the back of the line. So now you know the rules for all 4 games. The flip-up game, the war game, the dice multiply game, and then the large group team tag game. So please play nicely and kindly, have fun, and listen to the teachers in the room and follow directions. Thank you.